真假的？
Oh, do you want to eat here or to go?
Here.
Oh, here, okay.
他在这边一直在那读，他们就是那合作的嘛。
不知道哎。
你看那摄影师他在这里定点出来的。
点地段。
对啊，然后这边要先施工一下。要找景。我就要吃抹茶了。 对，有些这个。
对呀。Yeah, can we get a... How do you say this?
Maitake?
Maitake. Yeah, one maitake
Okay.
and then one oyster. One more? No, that's all? Okay. Thank you.
6, so it'll be 13.
Okay.
那不是咸的。
Hi. Do you guys have like a savory
I have
pastry?
ham and cheese, Venetian cheese, and this one jalapeno and cheddar cheese.
Chocolate over there, right?
Which one? Yeah, chocolates. Yeah.
And then pistachio?
Yeah.
Pistachio and the chocolate?
$1, give you 5 cents.
Yay. Cool.
霹雳鸡咖喱。
霹雳鸡哦。
嗯。我帮你点了辣的。
Yeah, of course. 噔噔，辣猪、红酱猪、牛肉。No! Is it good?
I don't know, I've never tried it.
Cute. You throw them in the hot milk.
Yeah, but like, they have different flavors as well. Both of them milk chocolate.
Crazy.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Sam is afraid of cinnamon. S'more. That's good.
That should be nice.
There's no mint. I love mint. Precious, precious.
Box cake?
No. You have to choose one. You only have one wild card. Wild card. Vlogging you. Start of the video. That's 2 in the pack.
Oh, it's 2. I was laughing at how big one is.
And it comes in 2. Haha. What did you get? What did you get? 从来没有这么满过哎，多亏可爱的俄罗斯妹妹。What？ 今天吃的是这家 Fusion。We have more chopsticks. Yeah. 猪啊。哇！There you go. Nó买鸡蛋吗？这里的比Trader Joe的还贵。6个。你就是不会经营了啊！你就拿这个有看过的。
好啊，好啊。
真假的？
对啊，上车。
真假的？卖相如何？
这样会不会赚到？
这很赚哎、
好酷啊！
哇，吃破的，嘿嘿，超多的耶，超大的。我们今天应该就吃一丁点儿，这样就够了吧？可以吃多久？